Hello everyone! All the Scarlet and Ivy fans, hold on to the next few minutes for another delightful read by none other than Sophie Cleverly. Scarlet and Ivy is in my top 5 favorite book series, and I fell in love with Sophie Cleverly's writing that I wanted her to write more books for fans like me. The book Sophie Cleverly wrote and published is Violet Whale Mysteries, a case of grave danger, and I'm going to be reviewing this book today. This book is phenomenal and it's so gripping that I read it in one sitting, and it's a very good start to a new series. So let me begin with the review. This book starts with a girl, Violet, an undertaker's daughter. An undertaker is basically a person who organizes funerals. Violet was a courageous girl who showed great determination. She wanted to prove her father that she was worthy enough to become his apprentice. One rainy night, she meets a boy, Oliver, wandering in the graveyard. But the last time she saw him, he was dead and waiting to be buried. Soon she figures out that he wasn't dead at that time. He was just in a deep coma. That is when Violet found her first case. With the help of her dog Bones, Violet has to find out who tried to murder Oliver. Rumors are spreading quickly and Violet's father is accused of murder. Violet sees her chance to prove herself to her parents and decides to investigate and prove her father's innocence before it's too late. She has to use her detective skills to find out the person who falsely accused her father. I thoroughly enjoyed the unique plot and setting of this book. I'd like to recommend this book to middle graders. I really love books which have gritty female protagonists who believe in themselves. I love this book and I'm really looking forward to the next book in this series. I urge the author Sophie to write the second book in this series. Yeah, so that was all I wanted to say about this outstanding mystery book, and I hope my review intrigued you enough to read this book. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and before I sign off, let me remind you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, happy reading and goodbye. Bye bye.